In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and notify someone using comments in a Google document. This is a fantastic way to collaborate effectively, especially when you need to get someone's attention directly on a particular part of the document. Whether you're working on a report, a presentation, or any collaborative project, mastering this skill can significantly enhance your teamwork and productivity. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to highlight the specific text or click on the exact spot within the document where you'd like to insert the comment. It's crucial to ensure that the comment aligns with the part of the text you're addressing, as this clarity helps your collaborator understand the context immediately. Once you have highlighted your desired text or clicked where you wish to place the comment, navigate towards the comment feature. Look for the plus comment button along the top of your document. Usually, this appears as a small speech bubble icon with a plus sign inside it. Alternatively, if you're more of a right-click kind of person, simply right-click your highlighted text or the spot you've selected, and you'll also be given the option to comment. Choose whichever method feels comfortable for you. Once you've clicked on the plus comment button, a small comment box will pop up alongside your document. Here is where you'll type your message or query. Now comes the important part: getting someone's attention. Start by typing the @ symbol, or if you prefer, you can use the plus sign plus instead. After typing either of these symbols, begin to enter the person's name or email address. As you type, you'll notice that Google starts offering suggestions based on your Google Contacts list. This feature helps speed up the process and ensures you're tagging the right person. Once you spot the person's name in the drop-down menu, simply select them. This step is crucial because it ensures that the person you tag will receive a notification alerting them to your comment. They can then click directly through the email notification to the exact spot in your document, streamlining their ability to respond effectively. This targeted communication helps to resolve questions quickly and ensures everyone stays on the same page throughout the creative process. And that's it! You've successfully added and notified someone through a comment in Google Docs, making your collaborative process much more efficient. This technique is straightforward yet incredibly powerful, ensuring that your discussions and feedback within a document are not only seen but acted upon promptly. Practice this a couple of times, and you'll be amazed at just how seamlessly your team can work together. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps bring your projects to the next level of collaboration.